I'm in a home that a friend of ours is building, and I'm telling you, this is this is it. This is really nice. I should have started from the beginning when I start to look at it. I like the open concept there, and I guess they have the master bedroom downstairs, and the primary rooms are upstairs. So this is a closet. Yeah, and this is a bathroom. So this is another master bedroom too, because it's oh yes, this is a master bedroom. Yeah. Yes, I like this room. Oh yeah, this is a definite. Yes, this is a really nice room. I like this master bedroom. This is nice.
Right, this one?
Mm-hmm. This is a nice master bedroom. Really, and this is a nice walk-in closet for all the ladies. Yes. And then I like the windows. I like that open concept right there.
This one here, so I would.
Huh?
Yeah, that's fine.
And I like this extra you could plug your plants, you know. I like this concept.
This is one next one, bedroom.
This is another, I would say it's a primary bedroom. It's not a big room. I think they take the space off when they put that there. I think they built the closet so long that they took away from this bedroom. Yeah.
What's that?
I guess reality you wouldn't when the house is finished, it's okay. But I will leave this open, Zimba. Like I would have closed this. But Zimba, I would have roof it. I don't know, but I would have roof it, Zimba. I would just leave this to plant plants. Like this area does have a lot of natural plants.
Yes.
Yeah. And you could just get a gutter, build a gutter, let the water. They will find a way to get rid of the water. But I would have closed this up, Zimba. Yeah.
Well, I read
This is nice. This is a nice size room. But it's narrow, but it's a nice size room. I guess this is the bathroom. I mean, like the concept of the hallway have those little windows right here. Yeah. It's a lot of wasted space. Yeah, it's a lot of wasted space here. Yeah. And to go there. Yeah, I think to the way I think there's a lot of wasted space is made here because the way they cut the house.
These are the people. That's why you can always material.
There's a lot of waste. Yeah, there's a lot of waste.
No, that's a popular one.
Because even the homes
Yeah. They want the material and then put on.
to build this up.
No. The floors were done flat when you put on.
No, guess what? Right, that's what we're talking about decking because when they run the laser by the floor don't level.
Yeah, that's what I say. We
Floor don't level.
don't.
So
But like there's a lot of space that I see the way they design it. But I like it overall. They're not gonna cover this, right?
no, it's by the ceiling.
That's what I'm telling you. Not jerking. There's my garden right there. My indoor garden.
We should be dirt. And let's explain to you. This should be dirt and some of them do concrete. So the guys who would do the place. The guys that would do the place.
So wait, I saw them the tile outside Jamaica and them the tile everything.
Yeah, basically. You could do wood, but it's more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this right here, I like it because I could just plant my plants over here. Like this shouldn't, like, I love this. This is so, yeah, I love the concept. That's what a man cave right here. This is my black. And I like how they do the windows on the side to give the house natural light. That's what the rooms are fairly small. For this the size of the house, the rooms are small. Those two rooms over there are fairly small.
Those are guest rooms.
Yeah, but it's still, you want to have a nice space. This is nice master bedroom. But I feel like this closet take away that bedroom. Yes.
Space.
That's because it took away the bedroom over there.
Walking closet is fine with 2 people.
No, that's just my closet right there.
But why is it that you have him come out
Yeah.
in the bedroom?
Yeah.
You should be a open here.
Yeah, you should be open here.
I am going.
Yeah, but you want to the bathroom going into the walking closet.
If you are here, it's mess up the thing,
Yeah.
So it was
This is nice though.
where all this going on.
So this is a home in Jamaica that's fairly starting to build. It's very nice. The design is nice. You know, it's just a lot of wasted spaces, you know.
Nice.
Yeah, but it's a really nice house. Yeah. It's really nice. Mm-hmm. And I also love that it having its own man cave. You hear that, Maurice? Its own. Maurice. Maurice. You hear that, Maurice? Maurice, you hear that? He built his separate man cave.
What's up, is that?
Look, that there is nobody, you know, in the formal dining and living out. Our own man cave. So he could put his 80-inch TV, you know, he could burn his, you know, his weed, his cigarette, anything that he need to do in his own little domain. Eh? Come on, like a movie theater.
That we will definitely.
Yeah, because
If you got female, then you have your man cave going. If you got female, you have man come
you could turn this into a movie theater, you know?
I want the bigger island. I want a pool table.
Yeah.
Big enough now, can put a pool table.
Okay.
Yeah, big enough, can put. I just 20 at my 20 at.
Oh,
Yeah, man.
okay.
Some big place, man.
I love this is, you know, for me, this is this cellar for me right here. I could turn this in a green space.
Yeah, you just come out and look at it.
Yes. No damn barbecue. And I like how they put windows to give the natural light.
Yeah.
So you don't have to turn your light on in the daytime.
What they do with that roof, like that roof now? How you finish that?
That's
just
it's decade. That's
Just the mason working. That is
yeah, like them just clean up the corners and look at them.
Yeah, but when I plan to put the rail around it and put that staircase up there, right?
Oh, it's come down to that.
yeah, sit down up there. You can't chew, you know.
Plan is this now. Choose a big house. So you just plan to just fully have a solar panel.
You can't still put solar pan them here.
Yeah, solar panel.
You can't still put solar pan them here.
Sometimes you can put solar panel on the roof and just do that.
Yeah, well, you can, but you know what? If you don't want to mess with
There's a
the
misconception about the solar panel.
Yeah.
that's a certain thing.
You could do half of the house with the solar panel, but the batteries, that's where it comes in. I know the solar panel run your house.
Yeah.
I don't know how much battery.
Which I think I can put the battery.
No.
The amount of battery in here.
Yeah.
Because for the whole day, if you have 6 battery, at least 6 battery runs house efficiently. And for the whole day, if you have half of the whole, that will charge you 6 battery for the whole day.
So,
And you can run whole night, and then run for another day, you run CMV, and then you can do the GPS.
yeah, I live a pan around here, and I put battery. Far from everybody else.
Okay.
Pan right around here.
But the battery, are they dangerous, cancerous, or that type of
No.
And this space, you have no choice, but I like this space. The way.
Yeah, battery, but this thing,
Yeah, about this hybrid, them you can hear them.
yeah.
Let them flow and hear them. Yeah.
And a lithium battery, the one was no one. Is that the same battery? No.
Yeah, funny.
I just see a nice painting right there, long painting right here. Yeah, I just see a long. No, right here.
on the wall.
Right here, long painting. Like maybe a mural right here.
Now, what I was saying,
I like the windows too.
with solar though, you know, when you have roofs like this and you make wood and then eventually, you know, I wouldn't even bother putting it in. I just leave it just the way it is. Find somewhere to put it.
That's everything that about me.
Yeah, find somewhere to put it. I want to compromise your roof, you know.
Also a sheetrock, they just really out a wall, them and sheetrock inside what is.
I'm not going to do all of the space.
She drug up with this.
Yeah, so just
Why you looking? Cut the back eye.
But you
And then even
don't necessarily have to cut it down. Once you frame it is there, once you soak it, once you soak it, it bend. And it now have a break. You can soak it, man. But you have to spray it down with water.
Yeah, but the problem is, you see here, this one going too much. This one going too much. So, through the staircase, you build this. So you never want it to, when you come up, there's narrow and then you're wide
So
open.
anyway, so
You know, wiggle
talk to the people to contact you. They want their house to build in Jamaica. Talk to them.
You don't see camera.
You know, wiggle water, right?
I'm seeing you. Don't worry. Talk to the people then.
You know, wiggle water.
I don't know.
It's like it's a bend at the board.
I'm telling you, the camera is on.
Alright.
Like 4 inch.
So someone that like this want a unit like this to build,
Yes.
you can contact me
Mm-hmm.
at 801 3794.
And you do everything for them, right? They just stay where they are and they come and you will make sure the work get done. Worry free, they don't have to worry about
Nothing.
losing your money or anything. The job will get done.
I mostly work in foreigners.
Oh, so you mostly work with foreigners?
Yeah.
Okay then.
I don't like working local, I like working foreigners.
Alright. So you know the foreigners, them very skeptic, right? Alright then.
So you should have
Don't get around them. I work with locals, but locals get headache.
Headache. Okay. They don't like to spend the money. Chin and the other area down there. So what I hear so should have been
this.
Yeah, what was space?
This corner roof
Yeah.
should be at the front.
But what I was showing in the staircase.
But I'm on the cash press layer cook this.
Chris, yeah.
Well, no, but that's what I'm saying. If you're exhaust, you can lock the door.
No, it can't. No, it shouldn't be there.
Yeah, but I'm saying, that's why if you have good
And that's why the whole of this should have gone. The whole of this should have been your living area. Then you have the kitchen and the other.
And there's somebody for the
Yeah. A different, but it's really nice though.
different design.
And then the arch. Oh God.
I hear I like, you know, you
Right, yes, sir.
Send the doors.
Hmm?
And then you fire.
yeah, man.
I love the tile. It's clean. I love the tile.
Yeah.
The tile is pretty.
Here's a storeroom. And here's a storeroom.
Store?
Storeroom. I'll open it for you.
Oh, no, good. Very fancy. Oh, a bedroom this.
Storeroom. They can even have the cameras and
Oh, sure. And then when,
All the wires get run.
Mm-hmm. So yes, guys. So this is the house. It's beautiful. This is the house. It's a very beautiful house. Very genuine. Which one?
That one right there.
Oh God, Maurice, play with the fucking gray, man. This is look. This is I love that one set of blue right there. Yeah. If you could put that the same gray on it and then put the one piece. Yeah.
Gray, green.
We live in America now. We're coming to. No. We're not gonna do with any gray house now. We do it as much in America. The blue.
one is
Yeah. Well, I'm telling you, look at the camera watching you.
yeah.
Know what I'm saying? We do too much gray in America. You can't come in the island come gray again.
Now, do you have to still use with everything brick? You know what I mean?
This is nice. As this guy, that is the house. It's a really nice house.
That's
But I let you can come off of the camera with that.
You guys know the representation is always important for the presentation. So we go on your TV, that's if you look for, that's if you make your eyes them hook on. On your TV, okay?